Hi everybody, this is for week 4 assignment 3. As I told you in the intro video, you should be studying these vocabulary words all week long before you take the quiz. The quiz you can only take one time. It is not like I allowed you in assignment 2 to take it twice and you get highest grade. This is a true quiz. So the vocab practice, there are two different ones. There's one that's Hangman and there's one that's Flashcards. So if you click on it, it will take you to you have to click twice, excuse me. And do you see how this comes up on some of the computers? If that's the case, you click on Adobe Flash Player and then you click Allow. Then it will come up and it's going to be a hangman game. You basically play it just like hangman. So you would just select a letter, and then you would try to figure out what the answer is. Okay, so that's one way to practice it. You do not have to log in, nothing. This is solely for practice. If you don't practice, there's nothing I can do about it, but it will show on your vocabulary. Then if you go to the second one, which is the flashcard, it is the exact same words. You do not have to do both if you don't want to. Okay, they are the exact same words. And if you go down here to where it says list of terms, if you click on it, you can then see all of the words and all of the definitions. If that makes it easier for you, that is fine. If you can just study this way. I do not care which way you study. I'm giving you several different options. Within this one, you can do flashcards. So you would just hit play this game, and you can test yourself. The second one is there's a matching. So you can match so that whatever this is goes to here. And it will match for you, okay? So this is solely for practice. Then you will go to the quiz. It is 2 matching questions and 4 application questions. So please make sure that you know what the types of software applications are and some popular ones. As always, if you have any questions, problems, you know where to find me.